The latest version of Institch is now available, streamlining your embroidery design and production workflows. In the new version, we've added 9 new fonts. It sounds fantastic. Next, let me demonstrate the new font effects. Select the Text button, and you can see all the available fonts there are. Currently, 22 options. Select any font to apply it to the canvas. Then, using the parameter module, you can enter your own text according to your preference, just like this. You can freely adjust font parameters such as density, gap, font height, aspect ratio, font italic, and space width. Alternatively, you can select the font on the canvas and then use the Font Edit module to make adjustments. If you need to edit any of the individual letters, you can ungroup them and then edit or adjust them separately, like this. You can also apply color fills to them individually. Next, I'd like to introduce a very practical new feature, the Shape Stitch tool. Return to the canvas, click the Drawing button, and then the Shape button to view the new shape presets available in the software. You can easily select and apply these shapes to your canvas, boosting your efficiency and allowing for greater creative diversity. Of course, you can also adjust parameters such as stitch settings and fill colors for them, just like this. If you want to work with the entire design or multiple designs, you can select them and use the copy and paste function. The software will automatically group the pasted elements. To select individual components, simply click the Group button to ungroup them. Next, 2 useful features were optimized: ruler and pattern data. Returning to the canvas, I draw a random shape. Click the Add button and then click the Ruler button to measure the shape's length in real time. This update fixes issues where the ruler's distance and angle displays were previously incorrect. Notably, the new measurement feature introduces an updated UI that displays both length and offset angle, providing data with precision to 1 decimal place. Next, I drag the pattern to the bottom left corner and resize it. The pattern data in the bottom left corner updates in real time with precision to 1 decimal place, allowing for more accurate data acquisition. Next up is a new feature I absolutely love, the Color Picker tool. Returning to the canvas, I've imported a random pattern for the demonstration. Locate the eyedropper tool button at the bottom and tap it. You can zoom in slightly on the pattern and select the color you want to extract, and the closest match will appear on the color page. If the color isn't quite right, try zooming in further so the tool can sample the area where the color is most accurate. Once you have obtained the desired color, you can use the pin tool on the color page to pin it to the color bar at the bottom, allowing you to recall the color and paint patterns directly using the brush tool. Next, I will introduce a very useful new feature, the Fill Hole function. You can click the Saint Cut button to subtract overlapping areas from the bottom layer. Returning to the canvas page, click the Drawing button and select a few shapes to place on the board for demonstration. You can see that the 2 shapes are independent entities. Now, let's stack the 2 layers. To make the effect more clearly visible, I will change the color of one of the shapes. Please note that the next step is crucial. Click the Layers button to display all layers, then locate and select the 2 specific layers. A toolbar will appear at the bottom of the canvas. Find and click ST Cut. Dragging the top shape reveals that the Fill Stitch Hole function has been successfully applied. The bottom shape has also changed, and the stitch count has decreased. After using this function, you can customize the value for the area compensation setting. Now, Let me use the ST cut function to create a complete embroidery design by overlapping 6 heart shapes. The embroidery preview reveals a significant difference. The total stitch count has been reduced by 13,785 stitches, thereby greatly improving embroidery efficiency. Then, let's look at the optimized visuals for layer interactions and the interaction logic for the simulated embroidery. Click the Layers button. You will notice that the outline color of each layer in the list matches the color of its corresponding shape, creating a cleaner visual appearance, while the individual shapes remain clearly visible when the layers are expanded. Additionally, a new feature has been added. You can drag layers into or out of other top-level layers, just like this. Next, let's look at an optimized feature. You can now extend the canvas boundaries and zoom range. The zoom scale has been adjusted to a range of 20% to 1000%, and the maximum canvas dimensions have been increased to 1000 millimeters in height and width. Finally, click the Embroidery Simulator button. This feature allows you to quickly preview the entire embroidery stitching process. We have also optimized the interaction logic. You can close the simulator by clicking the button. Or if you need to make further adjustments to the canvas, simply click the Select button and then click anywhere on the canvas to resume creating. That covers all the updates for Institch version V2.1.3. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.